Conchava, welcome back to another exciting house tour. Today, we're taking a closer look at a stunning modern home that's designed for comfort, style, and functionality. This is Samantha Model House here at Victoria South of Alabang. If you've been searching for the perfect home, then stay tuned because this might just be the one for you. Before we begin, let's talk about space. Because we all love a home with plenty of room, this property sits on a lot area of 240 square meters with a floor area of 195 square meters, giving you all the space that you need to live. First impressions matter, right? And this house definitely makes a statement. Check out this modern architectural facade, sleek, elegant, and built to complement the tropical vibe of the community. Plus, the perimeter fence ensures privacy, while the base yard offers a perfect space for gardening, outdoor, lounging. Just imagine sipping your coffee here. And let's talk about parking, because we all know how important that is. This home comes with a spacious carport that fits 2 to 4 vehicles. Whether you've got a family SUV or collection of rides, there's a plenty of room. Alright, enough teasing, let's step inside. As soon as we walk in, you are greeted by this bright, open concept living area with a generous 17.68 square meters. It's designed to feel warm, airy, and inviting. Look at those expansive front windows letting in natural light for that fresh sunlight ambience. Just a few steps away, we have a dining area that is 9.27 square meters, a cozy space perfect for hosting family dinners or game nights with friends. And what's great about dining area without a fantastic kitchen? This kitchen is a chef's dream. We've got a solid surface countertop and a double-top stainless steel sink and modular cabinets made of high-density fiberboard, perfect for storing all your kitchen essentials. And for those who love an organized home, this floor also includes a maid's room that is 5.09 square meters with its own toilet and bath that is 2.4 square meters, no more worrying about space for household stuff. Also on this floor, we have a bedroom or den that is 5.84 square meters, great for guests or home office or a cozy study nook. Plus, there are powder room nearby, making it super convenient for visitors. Now here's something you love, Samantha AC provision. This house is designed to keep you cool and comfortable. On the ground floor, we have 2 AC provisions, a split type for a living room and a window type for the den or office. And before we move on, just a quick reminder that this is a dress-up model house, meaning it's fully furnished to give you a vision of how your future home could look. The furniture and decorations are just for reference, so you can imagine how you personalize it when you move in. Now let's head upstairs and check out the private quarters. The second floor is finished with elegant brown ceramic tiles, adding warmth and sophistication.
Here we have a spacious living area here that is 11.35 square meters, and the end of the bedroom that is 11.14 square meters, perfect for kids, guests, or even stylish home office. They share a modern, well-designed bathroom with premium fixtures. Now, let's talk about the master's bedroom. This is where luxury meets comfort with a spacious 16.73 square meters. This room is perfect for relaxing after a long day. And check this out, you get a 5.01 square meters walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom 3.21 square meters just for you. No more fighting over the bathroom space. And just like the ground floor, we've got AC provisions here too. The second floor has 3 AC provisions, a window type for the master's bedroom, living area, and bedroom 2. No more sweating through hot summer days. This home is designed for year-round comfort. One of my favorite part of this home is the outdoor space. You get not just 1 but 2 balconies. The front balcony is 23.82 square meters, is perfect for enjoying a morning coffee, while the rear balcony is 8.18 square meters, gives you a more private scape. Need space for laundry or household chores? No worries. This house has service area 14.92 square meters and even a Lanai 6.34 square meters to add that extra touch of outdoor relaxation. And let's not forget the perks of living in Victoria South of Alabang. You get access to recreational facilities, a clubhouse, parks, a playground, and lush landscaping. Everything you need for a vibrant and active lifestyle is right here. Alright, Conchava, let's talk about numbers. This Samantha Model home comes with a floor area of 195 square meters on a minimum lot size of 240 square meters. It features 5 bedrooms and a powder room and 3 full bathrooms.
Now, for the price, this stunning home starts at $13,840,000. To secure this dream home, a 15% down payment, which is $2,076,000, is required, with the balance available for financing. And here's the best part: you can reserve this home today for just $100,000. Secure your future with a small investment and take one step closer to your dream home. Now, Conchava, let's take a moment to show you what you're really getting when you decide to buy this home. Everything from the elegant flooring, high-quality kitchen fixtures, built-in cabinets, tiled bathrooms, and premium finishes. This is what you're going to get when you buy this house.
So what do you think, Conchava? Could this be your next dream home? If you love what you see, don't wait. Send us a message, book a site visit, and let's make this home yours. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive house tours. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on amazing properties like this one. Until next time, happy house hunting! VSConcha!